Hello, it's Big Man in the Woods helping you deliver more practical skills. Now today we're going to be doing a science trick involving kitchen paper and some felt tip pens. Are you ready, Grace?
Yes.
Let's do it. What you need to do is fold your kitchen paper in half. Well done, Grace. And then you're going to fold this bit over. Excellent. Okay, so all you need to do now is cut along there and you'll get two sheets, and as if by magic, here are those two sheets. So just like toilet paper, you need to fold it over into a book. So on your front cover you're going to draw a design, and Grace is going to draw a really simple tree. Okay, and then you're going to open the book up, and on here you're going to draw the leaves like this. Well then, you can also add some fruit or some flowers, just doing some random dots. And that's it. That's as simple as our magic trick goes. Next, you're going to need a dish of water. So this is our Pyrex bowl of water, just a little bit of water you can see. And then all you do is drop, and it comes alive. Wowee. Grace, do this one. Okay, Thomas is going to put his. Wow! That's an Easter egg. Did you like that science experiment, Grace?
Yes.
Was it good? So
Yep.
all you got to do is get some tissue, some felt tip pens, and a dish full of water. Some more tips and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe to Big Man in the Woods, click the notification bell, and we'll see you next time on Big Man in the Woods. Say goodbye.